Yeah. All we ever needed was a ooh.
Welcome back to another MeekFro video. This video is sponsored by Italo Jewelry, home of the inexpensive and affordable engagement rings and jewelry for women and men. If you're interested, stay tuned. So really quickly, I'm going to show you guys the italojewelry.com website. This is actually the mobile website. So basically, you guys know Italo Jewelry, they sell jewelry, but we are focusing on the engagement rings, of course, inexpensive engagement rings. What I mean by inexpensive is I think the cheapest I saw was $90 something, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. That was the cheapest engagement ring I saw on this website. Of course, they have other categories on this website. They have the engagement category, wedding bands, wedding sets, jewelry, men jewelry, pieces that ship within 24 hours, and as of now, Veterans Day sale category. They do have sales that go on quite often on this website, different deals. You're going to want to check those out on a daily. Check the website out. Also, I may have a coupon code for you guys to use, so do check the description box or the comments for that coupon code, please. italojewelry.com does have a 30-day return policy. For more information on the policy, do check that out in the description box or the website. Also, Italo Jewelry has a 1-year warranty, so you're going to want to check that out in the description box as well. Okay guys, now to the fun stuff. We get to unbox 2 engagement rings by Italo Jewelry. Look how cute this boxing is. It's like a magnetic box, like you can open it and close it. So cute. The first thing I found in the box was a little pouch, and then there's this silver polishing cloth, I guess, to clean your jewelry with. How cute is that? That's what it looks like. And then there's just extra information in the box about the 1-year warranty and then the 30-day return policy. Also, to prove the ring's authenticity, they have a certificate inside of the box as well. And of course, we have the 30-day return policy right here, and then the 1-year warranty policy. Okay, now for the very first ring we're going to try on. First of all, look at this case here. Cute, very sturdy case, very thick. I love how thick it is. It's just satisfying for some reason. This is what the ring looks like when I first opened it. The specific name of this one is Italo Halo Oval Created Amethyst Engagement Ring. I got in a size 7 1/4, so that's my ring size. Y'all, okay. Y'all know I am a huge fan of amethyst, any type of amethyst. You guys, this is gorgeous. I did not think I would like it with the silver, but it is breathtaking in person. The pictures on the website do not do it justice. This ring here is actually on sale at the moment. You're going to want to run, not walk. Run for this one. It is absolutely gorgeous. You could get engravings on the ring as well if you like for $20 extra. That is what it's saying on the website here. So this kind of ring is basically for those who do not like traditional diamond rings, and I would be that type of woman. I absolutely love any type of gemstone, an amethyst, anything of that sort. I absolutely love it. So this is made out of sterling silver, of course, and it's lightweight but not too light, if that makes sense. It does not feel cheap, if that is making sense at all. And what I love about this ring is it is nickel free. You guys, I'm allergic to nickel, so yeah, this ring will not break you out if you are in fact allergic to nickel also. So that's great news for me. But you notice under this lighting, it does kind of come off as blue, but it is in fact purple. Like I said, the camera and pictures do not do it justice. The next one we get to try on, oh my gosh. This one is the Italo Rose Gold Double Hidden Halo Cushion Created Champagne Sapphire Engagement Ring. Woo! You guys, I am just a sucker for these thin bands. Like, I just love how chic and sophisticated a thin band on a ring looks, and it just looks absolutely just flawless on me. And then this color, you guys, like, Y'all know I love gold or champagne, any type of color of that sort. It just pops off of my skin. Like, it complements it very much so. This ring is actually heavier than the first one I tried on. Still not heavy, but you get what I'm saying. It's a little heavier than the first one I tried on. You guys, the details on this ring is blowing me away. Look at the diamonds that go all the way around. Oh my gosh. It is breathtaking. Like, when I first saw this ring, I was just like, this ring right here knocks the first ring just out of the water. It is gorgeous. And then, like, the diamonds go like all the way around. She is nickel free and she is on sale as well. So you want to run and not walk with this one also. Do not forget they have free shipping. So y'all, this is like a win-win situation. But I really think this one is my favorite one out of the two I've tried, y'all. Like, cause you know, I'm a little bit on the dramatic side, and so I love gold. It just complements my skin. And also amethyst complement my skin too, but I gotta go with this one right here. It's gorgeous. So if you guys enjoyed this video, do thumbs up this video for me, please. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Subscribe.